All right, you guys out there that have interests in taking care of yourself and those whom you love, I have a set of glasses here. I just want to show you the end of them, where it sits behind your ears. If you take that and you take your glasses and you rub it down the top of your head like this, all around, boing, zoing, 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 you'll feel a light tickle that you may want to rub or scratch after that. When you do it several times, they make a tool for this, but I do not have it with me right now, and I would like to show you so you can buy the tool. What the tool does, when that light skin of your forehead around the rim of your head is stimulated by light touch, there are pathways called pain receptor Pacini corpuscles. Pacini, P-A-C-I-N-I, that are located all throughout your body underneath of your skin, specifically where you'll feel pain. Our integumentary system contains Pacini's corpuscles. They're nerve end receptors for pain. And when you stimulate them, the only way to stimulate them is light touch. To stimulate them in a way that's functional for neurology, for brain neurology, for your nerves to function. And so your brain, when it is stimulated through light touch, will make adjustments. And you, as the organism, many times will go ahead and, move your arms, stretch, rotate, flex, extend your neck, move things. So stimulating these light touch pathways, these neuroreceptors in the skin, can aid your brain in making changes or shifts in your posture and in the location of tiny fissures that are throughout the cranial bones that are affected by boxing or football or soccer. They're movable, they're not fused. They are movable, and they do move. They are movable, and they do move. They are movable, and they do move. Is the we search and find. Now, research, R-E, we search, W-E, are two different things. And we would like you to understand how we search and we find. That these cranial bones are moving. Upon inspiration and expiration, the bones move. So when we have problems with our eyes or headaches or the worst things, infections, in our sinuses or our throat, our head colds, things like this, teaching and educating the body is the first thing we need to do to help ourselves to eliminate the cause of the stressor. And so they make a little tool that goes over the head, and you push down, and it looks a lot like the end of two prongs of glasses that sit behind your ear, but there are like 16 of them, 18 or 20, all around your head at the same time, and you push down and you pull up and you push down and you turn it, and where it stimulates the skin from you moving it around the head slightly, not turning it this way, but when you come up, turn it and push down. When you come up, turn it and push down. When you come up, and then you'll get used to using it. And the prongs will stimulate the skin, the Pacini corpuscles in the scalp. And that scalp has musculature, an aponeurosis it's called, that slides all the way over your bone. You see how it moves? And you see, I move it, you move it, with certain movements, in the ears, in the eyebrows. This is musculature, muscles, very, very fine muscle. You couldn't even fry it like a white of an egg. So let us get tomatoes and work this, as well as all of the attachments of the tissue through our neck, our chin, our jaw that we have. And then the musculature of the eyes pushing and moving with even your fingers in hot and cold water showers. So I give this to you for some ways, for some headaches that we will talk about in the near future and go into it with you, of headaches that are caused by the toxins in our blood, metabolic headaches, and then neurological ideologies of your neck affecting your head, your brain, the brain stem and the spinal cord in your neck, and the way that it guides not only posture but circulation and the amounts of chemicals, or I don't like to use the word chemicals, the amount of ions, the amount of minerals in your blood, and the ability for you to eliminate toxins that are causing headaches as well. Toxic headaches, toxic materials, chemical headaches. Those are metabolic headaches. So the nerves of the neck, the nerves of the spinal cord, coming out, exiting into the tissues all along your skin, and coming out of the bottom bone of the head, the skull, into your tongue and down across your heart, the cranial nerves. All right, olfactory and vision, the optic nerve, the eyes, everything, all these bones, and how just touch of your own self and investigation, understanding what you can do for yourself, okay, is very, 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 very nice for you to have. That tool is so incredible. That goes over the head. It's like a little Chinese oriental medicine tool that deals with the chakras of the body and the meridians, the energy lines. So we just need you to know that you have nerves underneath that do incredible things when they get sensory input to the brain, specifically of light touch pathways. So my technique I have developed is called Light. Let it go here today. And by the Business and Professions Code 2053.6 in the state of California, I have paperwork for you to sign so that you can participate in A.R.S, organ awareness and recognition of systems, and Light. Let it go here today. And Fanglicious and Fang Luscious, yes, foods, desserts that you want to eat and your dog eat too.